Coffee's tasting extra good today for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, pretty good cup of coffee indeed. Keep an eye out in the pinned comments later on as this after this video gets uploaded, and you'll see why my coffee tastes extra delicious. There's going to be a super fan of the show that is going to make a very profound statement that I'm sure is probably going to scorch the fingertips right off him as he types them out on his keyboard. You know who I'm talking about, or the person I'm talking about knows who I'm talking about. And yeah, I'm not going to gloat too much, but if you're not following hockey, the storied rivalry between the Toronto Maple Leafs and the Montreal Canadiens. The Maple Leafs were up 3-1 in the best-of-7 series, and Montreal came back to win 3 straight to send Maple Leafs to the golf course where they do rightfully belong. So, yes, we'll get right into the shave today with all that being said and done. Going with the fine Marvel razor. Won this in Johan's Waffle. And actually, I believe it was Steve Mendel bought my waffle spots, or my raffle spots, sorry. So, thank you very much, Steve. I really do appreciate it. I got the razor yesterday and looking forward to trying it. And that is the Fine Marvel. So, here's the box. And it says on the back, it is an engineering marvel. And there's a write-up down below. But it says, the Fine Marvel Safety Razor combines exceptionally efficient cutting geometry with a comforting oversized safety bar. The result is an exceptionally close shave that is remarkably easy to manage. It may be the best razor, or the last razor you'll ever buy. So that's a pretty bold statement there. We'll see how that goes. Features are chrome finish, low profile, flat top, clog proof blade gap, 0.87 millimeter total length, 93 grams total weight. Does say nothing about blade gap. Anyway, my understanding is it's a fairly mild razor, so we're going to find out. Soap for today, male grooming, and the Talbot collaboration, Tangerine. Nice scent on this. Nice tangerine scent. Nice warm day here on the Red Island, so let's get into a nice summery scent. It's also still a summer week for Nate and Mel over at BBS.Live, so break out those summer soaps, post your picture, tag BBS.Live, and put @SummerWeek on your Instagram post, and Nate and Mel will post it to their story. They're very good for doing that, so thank you, Nate and Mel. And I do like to participate in the theme weeks when I can, and I have the necessary things to participate in the theme weeks. So we'll get right into this. I think that's good for a load. I always tend to overload this stuff. You know, some of these soap bases, I don't use them enough that I'm not 100% up on them. So my tendency is to always overload, and then I'm here all day making a lather. So I'm gonna try not to do that, and I think that'll be good. Off the puck on this soap, I get a pithy tangerine, because I think the soap base has a bit of influence on the scent. So I get more of a tart tangerine, not super sweet, but it's still nice. It still smells like tangerine, and I find it's a very nice mix with the splash, which is just full-on sweet tangerine. So it's kind of a cool transition. I don't know if that was intended, but that's the way it works out. So anyway, going with a cold water no prep shave today, and I am using my scuttle as usual. And to facilitate the cold water shaves, when it gets warmer out, all I do is I fill my outer chamber, the part that is supposed to heat up the scuttle. I just fill that with cold water, and then just put the room temperature distilled water in the center, and the cool water in the chamber, the cold water in the chamber cools down the inner chamber, and then it keeps your brush knot cold when you put it back in there between passes, which is pretty cool, relatively and literally and figuratively. It feels great in the summertime when it gets warm, and then you have a nice cool lather on your face. Helps Helps cool things down, especially if you use a mentholated soap. Chili lather with a mentholated soap feels delicious in the middle of a hot summer. And yeah, this is taking water like a champ. Got 3 days growth. Do one more application. I think we'll be good. I didn't show the brush, but I mean it's one that's been used a bajillion times. My CoyoteCuts Psychodelic Funk. One of my go-to brushes. Nice tuxedo knot, nice and soft in the face. Makes a killer lather 100 out of 100 times. And that's a great brush. And the photograph's nice too, especially with soaps with red and orange in the picture. Take a look at that lather. I think we can work with that. Yeah, we can work with that. That nice scent of, like I said, the pithy tangerine. Clean up the work area and get ready to go to work. Don't forget tonight, it's the CanadianMafia Show at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern. We're doing the Name Our Beaver contest tonight. We're going to announce the winner of that, and we'll go with the first pass. Second use Wizamet in here. I just popped the blade out of the Grand Shave King. And away we go. Nice heft to it. Handle's a little bit short for my liking, but I mean, I like 4-inch handles, so you're not really going to get that in too many razors. That being said, it is long enough for me to get a middle finger underneath it. Hold without it going anywhere. Blade angle. Very easy to find on that first pass. No bubbles, no troubles. Nice first pass. Razor feels good. Soap feels good. Everything feels good. Check that residual slickness. Oh yeah, it's super slick. And I got that soap to a nice hydration level, right where I like it. Oh yeah, the sweet taste of victory. I gotta be careful I don't choke on that hot coffee though. Kind of like how the Leafs choked on that hockey game the other night. That would not be good. Just as it wasn't good for them either. I don't want to talk too much smack though. Montreal could end up going out in this next round. They're going up against Winnipeg, so Winnipeg's been playing pretty good, and their goalie won the Vezina last season, or not last? Yeah, last season, yeah, 2019-2020. So they will have their work cut out for them. But that being said, Montreal has one of the best goalies in the NHL, so Carey Price. And they can just get their offense going. And they should be all right. Carry on with second pass across the grain, feels nice. No bubbles, no troubles. The Wizamet is doing its thing. Cutting very well. Definitely a mild feeling razor, which is kind of in my wheelhouse. Mild razor, sharp blade. That's the way I like it. Choosing my recipe for success. I like to let the blade do all the work, not necessarily the blade gap on the razor. I don't like a ton of blade feel unless it's a straight razor. So my DEs, I like next to no blade feel, just a wicked sharp blade, and just let it do its thing and reduce the growth gently. But this is the pass here where the metal meets the meat, so to speak. This is the one where it all matters. The first two passes, you know, that's your beard reduction. That's great. But it's this pass that, you know, is where it all matters. And it's doing a nice job there on that angle pass. Feels comfy. Blade angle was easy to find right off the bat. It's easy to maintain even on this pass. Do a little J-hook. Good residual slickness on the soap. Yeah, I'm not going to push that anymore. That's pretty much BBS right there. No need to overshave. Oh, and 2 more giveaways tonight too I need to mention. We will be drawing those live. One is going to be for a $50 Razor Company gift card. And it's going to be for a $25 gift card at Stonefield Shaving. So, should be a good show tonight. Got lots of good topics picked out, I think. I'm hosting tonight. So I have the show all finalized, ready to go. I know what we're going to talk about. And we hope to see you all there. The last little area right here. Very nice. I think we're going to roll with that. That's a near BBS all the way around. I think it's going to settle down into pretty much BBS. Get into the cold water rinse. We'll get into the aftershave and let you guys get on your way. I'd like to thank you all for taking some time out of your day here with me in the den. Channel's growing, which is good. Though I did lose a couple members of the flock though. So hopefully we can gain a couple members back and carry on. If you are new to the channel and you're liking the content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Helps my channel grow, helps our wet shaving community grow, and helps the wet tube community grow, which is great. A lot of great people here on YouTube doing shaving videos. All right, so the matching splash, and this is an awesome splash, one of the best, if not the best, alcohol splash in wet shaving. And that is Male Grooming. Sean Mullen, he makes an amazing splash. And this is just pure tangerine. 100% tangerine. Just picture peeling a fresh tangerine, and that's what this splash smells like. I'm gonna make sure I get that on the shirt because it is citrus based, so you know it doesn't really have a lot of projection. It doesn't have great longevity, but that's the thing with citrus. Artisans can't help it. You get too much essential oils in there, they're going to end up burning you, or you're going to end up getting burnt when you go out in the sun with the phototoxicity. So it is what it is. But if you get a little bit on your shirt, it'll help that scent stay a little bit longer. You'll catch whiffs of it now and again coming up off your shirt. So that was the shave. Yeah, face feels great. Nice close, very comfortable shave. So first go with the Marvel. I like it. Yeah, great pairing with that blade too. All right, so that's it for this shave, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do appreciate it. Hopefully we'll see you all tonight at the Canadian Mafia Show on IG at the Canadian Mafia Show. Be sure to give us a follow. And that's it for now. So until tonight, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day. Need a shave. We're going to catch you in the next one. Peace. I love yous.